spotted. Or a school. School mackerel, spotted mackerel.
It's a bloody shark mackerel.
Hopefully it's not the only fish we catch today, but if it is, that's plenty of meat for me. So I'll whack them in the esky and we'll keep fishing. Nice little mackie. Hopefully we can get a Spanish. I really want a Spanish, but he's not too bad. Hook up! Double hook up! Double hook up! Oh my lord! Woo! Double hook up, man. Double goddamn hook up. Oh. How am I gonna do this? How am I going to do this? Are you friggin' kidding me? Woo! Oh, this one's still going. I'm still on both rods. That one seems lighter. It's got something on it. All right. When I see some color, we'll know. Please be a Spanish. Look at this thing going too. Oh, it's heavy, guys. That's a tuna. We got a yellowfin tuna. We have a yellowfin tuna. We got a nice jelly bean, look at that. There it goes. There it goes, jelly bean. Oh. It's in. It's in. Tuna is in the boat. And something's on here. Are you kidding me? We got another tuna. Holy shit! We have 2 yellowfin tuna in the boat. Are you fucking kidding me? Man, these tuna go hard. On the double hookup, landed them both by myself. Solo mission, and we got 2 of these stunners. Blood everywhere. It's a crime scene, but oh my god. Let's go. We got a mackerel in the bag. We got 2 jelly beans going in the bag now. Couldn't get any better than this.